In this lesson, you'll learn how to configure your end-of-day settings and use the start-of-day feature. To access your end-of-day and start-of-day settings, click on the Setup menu and select Configuration. In the left navigation panel, click on Point of Sale. First, ensure that the Use End-of-Day box is ticked to enable the End-of-Day wizard. Tick the Enter Float at Start of End-of-Day box if you'd like to allow the float to be edited at the beginning of the End-of-Day wizard. Having this option enabled will also prompt you to exclude the float when you enter your takings for the day. If you leave this box unticked, you'll need to enter your takings including the float. The Start of Day feature is used as an additional security measure to ensure that your float is recounted at the start of the day before any transactions are completed. The Start of Day wizard is located in the Transactions list. When selected, it simply prompts you to count and confirm the starting float. To enable this feature, tick the Use Start of Day box. Tick this option if you want to allow the till to go into negative. Tick Auto-Populate EFT takings if you want shortcuts to automatically populate the values of all your card payment types. If Auto Clock Off Employees is ticked, then shortcuts will automatically clock off any employees that are still clocked on when you run the End of Day wizard. This option must be ticked if you want to enable the next two settings. If your closing procedures take extra time after the End-of-Day wizard is complete, you can allocate 1 or 2 End-of-Day employees who receive extra time to complete closing activities. You can then specify the amount of extra time in the Clock Off Delay field. The allocated employees will be automatically clocked off after the clock off delay. You can speed up the employee login process by enabling this option to automatically clock on employees when they first log on for the day. Press Done to save your changes. Now that you know how to configure your end-of-day settings, you can customize this process to suit your business.